Today we'll be discussing about the control statements in web programming. The control statements are also called as the compound statements. Okay, the compound statements are nothing but those which are said to be delimited within the brackets are said to be called as the control statements, and they will be moving the statements from one end to other end. Okay, if the statement is said to be true, then only the control it will be moving to the other end. If it is false, then it will be coming out of the loop. Okay, you can say either you have the aspects of 0 and 1. When it is 1, it is moved. When it is 0, it is not said to be moved. So in this control statements, you will be using the aspect of the relationship operators or relational operators, you can say. So you all know previously it is being discussed in C and all these some of the aspects, like you are said to be using the relational operators is equal to, is not equal to, then is less than, is greater than, is less than equal to, is greater than equal to, strictly equal to, and not equal to. All these are said to be the relational operators which are being used in web programming. Okay, so here other aspects are also there in the concept of web programming. So you can say operators which are being considered related to your and, or, and not operators. Okay, related to these aspects you may be following certain like precedences. Okay, precedences are nothing but various operators which are being used, they follow their own precedences. For example, you are increment, decrement, or unary operators which are associated to the right, all are said to be having the precedences, they will be executed first. Then you can say, then you have the star option which is first, then slash, then percentage will be the left precedence, from left side it will be considered. Okay, whereas the plus and minus it will be considered from the left side. Okay, it will be considering in from the left side. Even less than, greater than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, it will be having the associative from the left side. And whereas equal to, not equal to, left side. Then another aspect of equal to and not equal to, that also is left side. And operation, or operation, then you have is equal to, plus equals, minus equals, star equals, slash, and equals, or equals, and percentage equals. All these are said to be having the associative from the left side. It will be moving your, or it moves the value from the left to right side. Okay, it has its own precedence values which is being considered. Then you have the selection statement. Selection statements, why do you use is to select certain part. Okay, for example, you have an if statement or an if else statement. It uses the concept of selection. Okay, I'll be using this part. I select when it is true, I don't select when it is false. Okay, means what, it has the true and false aspect or flag aspect 1 and 0. When it is 1, it will be taking into one's consideration. If it is 0, it will be moving to the other end. Means what, if a is greater than b, then I consider this value a is greater than b. Else a is equal to b, then a was not greater than b. That statement it may be printing like that. It will be taking into consideration the first statement or the other statement. You can say it as selection. I am selecting either a or electing and b, based on the relationship factor which is there in the if statement. Okay, this is the aspect which you have learned today about what is control statement and what is selection statement. Control means you will be moving the one end to another end through the help of the relational operator. It may be using various loops, even it may be having the if loop. Here also in the selection statement you may be using the if loop. It is considering selecting either one method or the other method. Okay, that is said to be your selection statement. Okay, thank you.